Hi everyone, it's BK42 here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the DYU T1 folding electric bicycle. This bike is an excellent option for people who are looking for a compact, portable, and affordable e-bike. Let's get started. The DYU T1 is all about being sleek and stylish, with its seamless one-piece magnesium alloy frame and cool matte paint finish. The frame design is pretty genius, making it clever and strong enough to accommodate riders of different heights. It's recommended for people between 159 centimeters to 194 centimeters. When it comes to portability, the DYU T1 keeps things hassle-free. Folding the frame is a piece of cake. Just unlock the folding lever, give it a gentle pull, and the frame folds neatly. You can fold the handlebar by releasing the locking lever as shown. Even the pedals can be folded, making it super easy to transport and carry. Whether you need to hop on public transport or fit it into a small car trunk, the DYU T1 is incredibly convenient and ready to go wherever you want to take it. What's remarkable is the absence of visible welds, which adds to its overall sturdiness. In fact, out of all the folding bicycles I've ridden, this one stands out as one of the most solid and reliable options. The DYU T1's 20-inch wheels not only have a striking cross-country tread pattern and a tri-spoke style rim, but also bring some practical advantages. These wheels are impressively light, contributing to a smooth and effortless ride. Moreover, they offer a considerable amount of comfort, making the journey even more enjoyable. The DYU T1 comes equipped with a rear hub motor that packs a punch with 250 watts of power, enabling it to hit a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. This e-bike also features a pedal assist mode, thanks to its reliable torque sensor, providing an extra boost during rides. The battery has a decent capacity of 10 amp hours, ensuring you have enough power for your journeys. It can be recharged in the bicycle or removed and charged anywhere else. Removing the battery is easy. Use the provided key to unlock the battery and pull it out of the frame. Inserting it back is a bit tricky, but it gets easier with time. During my tests, I hit a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour using just the throttle. But when I cycled and used the throttle together, I managed to go a bit faster, all thanks to the 7-speed Shimano derailleur. And riding this bike without motor support is a piece of cake. No problem at all. I had a pretty cool experience riding about 44 kilometers on a single charge during my tests. But remember, the actual distance can vary based on things like road conditions and how much you weigh. So keep that in mind. The DYU takes safety seriously, as it is equipped with reliable mechanical brakes that include motor inhibitors. Though I love hydraulic brakes, these mechanical brakes ensure our safety just as well. They lack hydraulic performance, but can still stop the bike quickly and quietly when needed. Now, let's talk about the display, or should I say, the lack of one. The DYU T1 keeps things simple with a basic battery status indicator consisting of 3 LEDs, displaying full, medium, or low battery levels. While I understand DYU's intention to maintain a minimalist and lightweight design, I must admit that I personally miss having more detailed information, such as the precise battery status, speed, and distance covered. Having the option to purchase the e-bike with a regular LCD display would be a nice addition, in my opinion. This way, riders who prefer more comprehensive data during their rides could easily upgrade their experience. The 54 centimeters handlebar is compact and quickly becomes easy to get used to. You'll find the rear brake lever on the right side, while the left side houses the front brake lever accompanied by a small bell. Additionally, on the left side of the bar, you'll spot the on and off button, which controls the front headlight and also displays the battery status indicator. The T1 model doesn't come with a built-in taillight, but at least DYU throws in a USB charged taillight. It's not exactly what I was hoping for, but it does the trick. To make your ride even comfier, the DYU T1 has a seat post suspension that works really well. Let's see some pros and cons of the DYU T1. Pros: extremely compact and folds up effortlessly, ensuring easy transportation and storage. Equipped with a powerful 250 watts motor, capable of reaching speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour. Boasts a long-range battery, offering up to 50 kilometers of riding on a single charge. Features a suspension seat post, enhancing overall ride comfort on various terrains. Comes at an affordable price, making it a budget-friendly choice. Lightweight design ensures suitability for riders of all heights, accommodating a diverse range of users. Cons: no LCD display, which means limited information during rides. The thumb throttle could use some improvement to enhance its durability and overall user experience. Installing fenders can be a bit challenging and time-consuming. Lacks integrated taillight. The DYUT1 costs 1,199 euros, but with the BK42 discount code, you can save 6%. It also includes a 1-year guarantee and free shipping in Europe and the United States. Check out more details using the link in the description below. And that wraps up today's review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and show your support. Cheers!